Hello children, welcome to the online computer class at BMS School at home. Children, what is computer? What is computer? Computer is an electronic machine, okay? And it is made up of hardware and software, okay ma? Computer is an electronic machine, okay? So children, name some machines in your home. Yeah, TV, fridge, washing machine, mixie, grinder, iron box, microwave. So these all are machines, isn't it? For what purpose we are using the machines? Yes, it makes our work easier, isn't it? So in the same way, the computer also makes our work easier, okay? It can do some calculation within a fraction of seconds, okay ma? So mainly the computers are used in calculation purpose, okay? And also the computers are used in school, hospital, railway station, and in scientific research, and some offices and some industries, okay ma? So the computers are used in various places, in school, college, office, scientific area. Computer is an electronic machines and it is made up of hardware and software, okay? Now children, what is hardware? Okay children, now let's think about our body, okay? So our body is made up of some external body parts and some internal body parts, okay? So now consider the external body parts are called hardware, okay ma? And the internal body parts are called software, okay? Now can you name some external body parts? Yeah, eyes, nose, ears, hand, leg, okay? So these are some external body parts, okay? Now children, please touch your skin, touch your hand. Yes, you can able to touch your skin, isn't it? And also you can feel while you are touching, isn't it? So in the same way, the computer also have some hardware parts, okay? So that hardware parts we can see and touch, okay ma? Now children, can you name some internal body parts? What is it? The internal body parts are called software, okay? Okay, now can you tell me some internal body parts? Yeah, brain, lungs, heart and stomach, okay? So these all are some internal body parts. Children, can you see those body parts? Heart, brain, lungs, can you able to see? No, isn't it? Can you touch? Can you able to touch? No, isn't it? Can you see how they are working? Can you see the functions of heart or the functions of stomach? Can you able to see? No, isn't it? So in the same way, the computer also have some softwares that we cannot able to see and touch, okay? And also we cannot able to see how they are working, okay? So the software is a set of program or instructions given to the computer to perform some task, okay ma? Children, what is hardware? Yeah, hardware is a part of a computer and we can able to see and touch, okay? So some of the hardware parts are CPU, monitor, mouse, keyboard, printer, speaker, okay? So these all are some of the hardware parts of computer, okay? And what is software? Yeah, software is a program or instructions that's given to a computer to perform some task. Okay, can you say some examples of softwares? Yes, an operating system, Microsoft Windows, Adobe Photoshop, okay, and Turtle, okay. So these all are some examples of softwares. Okay, ma? Now let's see the examples of hardware. Children, hardware is the parts of a computer, okay, that you can touch and feel. Okay, so hardware is the parts of a computer that you can touch and feel. Okay, so some of the hardware parts are, this is monitor, okay, you can touch. Okay, this is monitor and you can touch. Okay, this is CPU. Okay, this is also a hardware parts of computer. Okay, this is CPU. Okay, and this is keyboard. So keyboard is a type of computer hardware parts. Okay, and this is mouse. Okay, ma? So this is also a hardware parts of computer. Okay, and this is printer. Okay, ma? This is printer. Okay, this is also a hardware parts of computer. Okay, so the hardware refers to a parts of a computer that you can touch and feel, but the software is a set of program or instruction given to a computer to perform some task. Okay, and you can't able to touch the software. Okay, now let's see how to start the computer. Okay, ma? So how to start the computer, ma? First you have to switch on the power supply. Okay, first switch on the power supply and then switch on the CPU. Okay, so switch on the CPU. Okay, then switch on the monitor. Okay, ma? Switch on the monitor. Okay, then children, so first it's loading, isn't it? So this is called it as booting the computer. Okay, so first the system is loading, isn't it? One circle, isn't it? So that is called it as booting the computer. Okay, ma? Now children, what is an operating system? What is an operating system? Yeah, operating system is a types of software that helps the hardware work with the software. Okay, so the operating system is a types of software, that means it is a set of program or instructions, okay, that helps the hardware. What are hardwares? Yeah, CPU, monitor, mouse and keyboard that you can touch and feel. Okay, these are hardware. The operating system is a types of software that helps the hardware work with the other software. Okay, ma? Now children, please look at this. So the first screen, okay, so this first screen is the login screen. Okay, ma? So this first screen, this is the first screen, this is called it as login screen. Okay, don't forget, this is called it as login screen. Okay, and children, next just click this place. Okay, so this is called it as sign in screen. Okay, this is called it as sign in screen. Okay, ma? Here you can enter the password. Okay, this is the username. Hi is the username, and here you can enter the password. Okay, here it asking type the password. Okay, once you get into the computer, go inside the computer, you can type the password here. Okay, ma? So type the password. Okay, now just click go button. Okay, submit button. So children, this is the desktop screen. Okay, this is the desktop screen. Okay, so first first one, the operating system is loading, that is call it as booting. And next screen is the login screen, and the next one is the sign in screen. In that sign in screen you can type the password. And next, this is the desktop screen. Okay ma? Okay children, after entering the password and pressing the enter key, you will see a screen with many small pictures on it. Okay, so this screen is called it as desktop screen, and the small pictures are called icons. Okay, so this whole picture is called it as desktop screen. And here the small picture, isn't it? See here, one man and one computer and one dustbin, like this. So these all small pictures are called icons. Okay ma? So the icons on the desktop may represent a file, folder, or software. Okay, so these icons may be a files or folders or some softwares. Okay ma? Now children, folder. Okay, so folder is a collections of file. Okay, so this is folder. This folder is a collections of file. Okay, now children, please double click this. Yeah, so this folder contain collections of file, many files. Okay, so the files contain some informations. Okay, so the files is a collections of information, and the folder is a collections of files. Okay ma? So these all are files. Okay ma? So see here. Okay, so these all are some informations. Okay ma? So the file is a collections of informations. Okay, and the folder is a collections of files. Okay, now children, please understand the difference between files and folders. So the file is a collections of information and the folder contains files. Okay, and these all are some softwares. Okay ma? These all are some softwares: MATLAB, TuxPaint, Scratch. Okay, these all are some softwares. Okay, so the desktops, this is the desktop screen, and the desktop screen contains small pictures. These small pictures are called icons. Okay, and children, in the desktop, here one long bar is present at the bottom of the desktop, isn't it? So this is the long bar, it present at the bottom of the desktop. This is called taskbar. Okay ma? So this is called taskbar. Okay children, so this long bar present at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. Okay, so this taskbar contain the first one, start button. Okay, now you can drag the mouse here, it shows which is this one. Okay, which is this one? This is the start button. Okay, and next one is search engine. Okay, so you can search if you want to open the WordPad, or if you want to open a paint, just you can type it here. Okay, type here word or paint. Okay, it's already there. Okay, so if you are type paint, now just type paint. Okay, yeah, so then if you want to use or draw something, you can just double click this paint app. Okay, so this is the search engine, and this is the Cortana. Okay ma? So Cortana means if you want to open any applications that you already stored in the computer, just ask this. Okay, or if you need any information about weather, or about some planet, just ask this. Okay, for example, like this. Okay, hey Cortana. Yes. Okay, what is the date today? Okay, okay ma, like this. If you need any information, just ask this. Okay, just tell this, it gives the information. Okay, so this is the Cortana, and this is the task view. Okay, this is the task view, and this is the file explorer. Okay, this is the file explorer, and this is the Google Chrome. Okay, so these are our small icon. This is the start button. So in the start button, it's have many applications. Which one you want to open, just go there and get it. It is arranged in alphabetical order. So if you want to open Word, so the first letter is W, so go to W. Yeah, it's here, Word. Okay, now just click it and open it. Okay, and also if you want to shut down the computer, okay, just click the power button, and if you want to shut down means click the shutdown, or if you want to restart means just click the restart button. Okay ma, so the start button has many applications, and it arranged in alphabetical order. Okay, and here this is the search engine. If you want to if you want to open any application, just type it here. Okay, and this is the Cortana. If you need any information and it can be connected to the internet only, you can get the information through Cortana. Okay, and this is the task view, and this is the file explorer, and this is the Google Chrome. Okay, apart from this, it shows some notification about your computer. Okay, this is the notifications, and it shows the time and date. Okay, so today is 27 June 2021, and this is Sunday. Okay, and this is the volume speaker. Okay, you can adjust the volume. Okay, using this speaker. Okay ma, okay children, in today's class we learned the hardware, software, and an operating system. Okay, so what is hardware? Hardware refers to a part of computer and you can touch and feel. Okay, so software is a set of instructions or program given to a computer to perform some task, and the operating system is a type of software that helps the hardware work with the other software. Okay ma, and children, next we learned how to start the computer, and the first one is the booting, next is the login screen. Okay, and the next one is the sign in screen. The sign in screen has the username and password, so you just type the password and give the submit button. So the first screen is the desktop screen. Okay, in this desktop screen, it has small pictures on the desktop. These all are called icons. Okay, then next we learned the folders and files. Okay, so these all are folders. So the folder is a collections of files or group of files, and the file is a collections of some informations. Okay ma, and next we learned the taskbar. That is, it is a long bar present at the bottom of the desktop. Okay, and also here also we'll see some start button, search engine, and Cortana, task view, and file explorer, Google Chrome. Okay, these all are present in the taskbar. Okay ma, okay children, this is the end of today's class. Children, if you have books, please read page number 7 to 10. Okay ma, and children, if you don't understand this video, please play this video again. Okay, and if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me. Okay, okay children, bye bye and happy learning.